man who has been ice skating for Indian team from past 18 years, has 75 records in his name, has raced 313 races till now. The man himself is here with me, Vishwaraj Jadeja. First of all, welcome. आपने इतनी रेसेस यहाँ पर बाहर की है विदेश में, आज पहली बार आपने खेलो इंडिया के प्लेटफॉर्म पर रेस किया. What was the mindset behind that?
I think I was more excited than anything else. और घर पे racing is always very very special, and I've been coming to Ladakh since 2017. तो मेरे लिए this is another home. So it was just very heartwarming. तो मेरे लिए तो it was just homecoming. I was here in August. I do my altitude training over here through the years. So I just was there. I'm not a sprinter. We get 500 meters and 1000 meters at Khelo India. But I do 5,000 meters, so longer distance. मेरे sprinting था. तो I'm like 40 now, and I'm competing with 20-year-olds. So it's a lot of fun to take them to school. Like, guys, come on! You know?
Since Khelo India has shifted the attention from the mainstream sports, आपको क्या लगता है कितना बेहतरीन हो रहा है ये for other games like winter games?
I think every year we are taking it to a next level. So I guess if we keep this trajectory up, it's going to have an amazing impact. It already has an amazing impact. A lot of the short trackers and us long trackers, we have this in our mind because January mein sometimes we have our Asian Games, we have a World Cup at the same conflicting dates, so we are not able to participate. But luckily this year, all of us fast skaters were like, nahi, aaj to jana hi hai India, yaar, come on. So we were very happy to be doing that. So I think the platform is amazing. We have so much media here, so we can get our stories out there. And this is the moment to kind of just make sure we send the right message out, and we are doing a good job. The relevant associations are doing a good job at making sure that the kids are getting their chance at the platform. So I think this year is it has again gone up again. We have a artificially frozen ice rink with a very good dasher board and the time straight and all of those things. So I think it's just going upwards and onwards. I guess we have to just keep the trajectory on, and we'll be fine.
You have made India proud for so many years now. What are your plans for the future?
So I plan to float my mentorship program for sports in general because, I've been training in the international Olympic training programs with some of the best coaches in the world. My coach, Wim Neuhauser, he has made world champions and Olympic champions in the past. So the amount of knowledge I've gathered over the 18 years being in these European systems, it's so much to give back to our people. So I feel now is the time. I'm seeing it will be my last race. Khelo India will probably be my last race. So then the time is right to kind of transition towards a role where I'm trying to give back. And that's it. So the mentorship program will be for everybody who wants to pursue an elite sport. Of course, it will be around ice skating, definitely, but everybody's welcome because there's so much knowledge to share, and you can apply a lot of those things to different sports also. So, yeah.
Right before this interview, we were speaking how you have spent so many years in Europe. Of course, there is no comparison. But now that we look at rinks like these, how well do you think India is coping up?
I think we have started. Let's just say we have started. And this is a very good, solid start. Right. So I would say we are in the right direction. There are plans in place and plans in motion to have more robust winter sports infrastructure in the country. So we just have to give it time. It cannot happen overnight. We are a big country. We have a lot more issues before sports can be a priority, especially winter sports, which we have to accept. But even in spite of all of these things, we are getting things like Khelo India. I think that is itself says it all. I'm from Gujarat, and Gujarat government has made sure that I got supported at whatever time and place. So that is one of those things which you have to keep in mind, that even a summer sports is able to, summer country, a summer state can support winter sports. That's a good start. So I think we are in the right direction.
Thank you so much, Vishwaraj, for this conversation.
Thank you so much.